Dumelang, leina la me ke Thabang Moroke from Craft Investment Unit. Today we are here mo Archives building, mo Mahikeng, having a capacity building for crafters. The main purpose or the workshop is to capacitate our crafters, and also we saw it fit for the Mozambique Craft Council. It will establish what you call a professional structure. Since our province is now a professional structure, so the bone is to know how to Mozambique Craft Council. It will be a department to establish a craft council. So we are having crafters from 4 districts. All of them are represented here, and then the engagement are going. The issues among the crafters. The issues market access for the products are bona, but it's a young for the direct by exposure to opportunities in the craft sector.